Management of congenital glaucoma is a complex and difficult undertaking. Compassionate commitment on the part of the family and all members of the healthcare team is essential. Outcome of management is dependent on the severity of the disease, prompt medical and/or surgical intervention, and lifelong follow-up. The present video highlights the patient-reported outcome of management of 3 patients with mild, moderate, and severe degrees of manifestations of congenital glaucoma. Patient number 1 is a congenital glaucoma with milder form of the disease. Simultaneous bilateral surgery was performed at the age of 1 week. Note the clinical appearance of right and left eye respectively. See the appearance of the child at the age of 3 and 6 years respectively. The child completed 22 years of follow-up. Listen to the father and the child narrating the story.
We came here on 29th of August 1994, and on 30th is when they checked him again and found that it was a congenital case of glaucoma, wherein Dr. Mandal operated him on the 30th of August 1994. We brought Saurabh now here after 22 years for a follow-up with Dr. Mandal.
Yes, so I don't remember anything because I was just a very small child when I came here initially. And, I just grew up thinking that I had good eyesight. And that was because of this operation, and I had no idea. And mom and dad had to tell me, that you had this condition when you were born, and we found really great doctors to help you. And, I don't even notice a problem anymore that affects my life. I can't tell of any problems with my eyes, and I feel pretty normal using screens every day for maybe even 14 to 16 hours a day sometimes. So it's greatly affected my life in that it's normal, and there's no feeling of discomfort or that I have a defect in my life that doesn't let me advance further.
Patient number 2 is a congenital glaucoma with moderate degree of severity. The child's mother also had congenital glaucoma. The child underwent surgery at the age of 2 weeks. Listen to the girl, the problems she faced in her life.
I'm Anvita, and I'm studying Bachelor of Business Administration in Symbiosis. I was born and brought up in Hyderabad, India. My life had a lot of ups and downs, and when I was born, I was diagnosed with congenital glaucoma. My parents have diagnosed it early, and they have brought me into LV Prasad when I was a day old. And since then, the doctors have taken a really good care of me. I don't feel myself different from others, and I'm able to do everything on my own. In my school times, I faced several problems, like I had problem in looking at the board and noting down my notes and everything. But then I've overcome it with my eyeglasses, so they've helped me a lot. And actually, most of my problems have made me strong enough to face any difficulties in my life. I want to become an HR in a company.
Patient number 3 is having congenital glaucoma and history of multiple surgical interventions. The patient presented to us at the age of 7 years. She benefited from low vision training and rehabilitation. Listen to the story from the girl herself.
I live with my parents in Saudi Arabia. I came into this world 1.5 years after my elder brother Nakhi. Both of us were born with an incurable and degenerative eye condition called congenital glaucoma. When I was little, I remember wearing very thick glasses because my vision was low and I could only see from my right eye. But as I started going to school, of course there were some challenges, like children would find it very peculiar to see a person with two differently colored eyes. I had many surgeries, but they were all in vain. I used to use enlarged books or enlarged papers, and my friends would read out the material written on the board for me. Then almost 2 years back, I remember one of the biggest miracles of my life happened. I was introduced to L.V. Prasad Eye Institute. I was familiarized with all the low vision devices like a telescope, then there was this magnifying glass. That was very helpful for me to read the material written on the blackboard, or to even see TV, or to see distant objects when we went for sightseeing. I learned how to do some basic cooking, cutting some vegetables, ironing clothes. So now I even do some household chores on my own. Over the years, my eyesight went considerably down. I undertook my BSc in finance. My mother was an accounting teacher, and we often discussed concepts at home. I used the speaking app in my smartphone. I started using the JAWS software, Job Access with Speech, on my laptop. I completed my BSc with 99.25%, the highest in my class, first honors. I did the Certified Management Accountant CMA program. I passed both my parts on my first attempt. That was a very, very proud moment for me and for my family. And I was also the top scorer in Saudi. Presently, I'm working at an e-commerce company as a content writer. Gradually, my sight may be worse than what it is now, but I also feel that at this stage, I need to accept my condition and move beyond that. My brother says that losing sight is not the same as losing vision.
To summarize, the outcome was excellent in the milder form of the disease. The moderate and severe form of the disease required multiple surgical interventions and supportive therapy from the Department of Low Vision Rehabilitation. The patients expressed the difficulties they encountered and the coping mechanisms they adopted in their daily living tasks. The participants expressed their emotional and psychological challenges they faced in their lives.